Okay then, so I've just bought a little Hubsan X4 H107D. Unfortunately mine is faulty. It's got a really short range. You're meant to have a range of around 100 meters with these. 80 to 100 meters is pretty good. All of my other Hubsan 107 series drones reach that distance no problem, but this one only reaches about 25 meters, which is a huge shame because this is a cool little drone. As you can see there, it's really cool. It's got like a 5.8 gigahertz FPV screen, but yeah, unfortunately it's no good as basically it's got a really short range. So I'm going to do a little flight video just so I can show the seller, and then hopefully we're going to work something out. But yeah, I thought I'd share the video with you guys as well, so stay tuned and I'll show you the range issue that I've got with this little drone. If I zoom into that car, the lamppost and the tree over there, as you can see there, that is around 27 meters away from me, and I'm going to show you that it actually loses signal when I get roughly to there. So let's actually put the drone down and let's take it up and actually show you the problems. And what I might actually do, I'm going to hold the stick here as well. This is going to be awkward, isn't it? So if I zoom out a little bit, there we go, just so I can show you that I'm not releasing the throttle when the drone is actually dropping from the sky. So let's take it up, let's take it out. As you can see, constant throttle. There we go, it didn't even last that long, so very short range. Let's try that again. Okay, last try then. Get the drone up. Let's hold the controller here. Let's take it out. And it loses signal straight away. So yeah, unusable really. No point flying it at like 20 meters as it's an FPV drone. So yeah, a little bit disappointed. So hopefully the seller's gonna sort it out, and hopefully we can get another one so I can give you guys a proper review. Okay then, so that's it. As you saw, it's got a range issue on this little drone, which is a huge shame because like I say, it's a cool little drone, but it's unusable with such a short range that this actually has. But I'm going to obviously show this video to the seller. Hopefully we can work something out, get a replacement drone sent to me, and then I can do a full review for you guys, because like I say, these are cool little drones. When they actually work properly, they're cool little drones. I love the screen. You've got all of the telemetry settings you can do. There's a lot you can actually do to these little transmitters, so I'm looking forward to actually getting a new one sent to me so I can bring a full and decent review for you guys. So as always, thanks for watching anyway. Happy arseing. Take care. Bye bye.